my cat and Mom, where's Ryuka?
Get the cat. Get the cat. Get the cat. Get him. Get him.
Happy's getting strong. I'm gonna kick your butt.
Get him, Lola. Don't be scared. Get him. Get the cat. Get the cat. Get the cat. Oh, you pet the kitty cat. Oh, pet the kitty cat. Go get Lola. Go get Lola. What are you doing over there? What are you doing pretending to get that cat? Oh! You okay? Come here. You won. You won, Happy. You won, Happy. Where's that dog? Where's that dog? Kitty cat. Happy kitty cat. Hey, happy kitty cat. Hi, happy kitty cat. She's a good cat. She's a good cat.
For some reason, I like this.
For some. He's so lazy.
Oh,
Oh, poke him.
Just a stick.
He's purring.
It's like he's like this and it's looking around his head.
He's a good kitty cat.
Yeah.
Silly.
Still slipping away.
Oh, let me just lay down. I'll just clean myself. Happy kitty cat. Happy kitty cat.
Flag stick better. When they're playing, it's like the worst time to pet them because they can like lash out at you. You'll be like
I
playing
bet.
with them and then you'll set the stick down and try to pet them and then they'll be like,